So hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Craft Vibe. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you some simple and creative home decor craft ideas that you can easily try at home. These ideas are great for anyone who love handmade decoration and want to give their home a unique and budget friendly look. So guys, handmade craft always add a personal feeling to your space. When you decorate your home with things your own hands, it looks more warm and special. The good part is that you don't need costly material or exactly level skill to make this decor item. With basic supplies and a little patience, you can create something really beautiful. So in this video, you will see normal, daily use material and even old item can be changed into stylish decor pieces with a little creativity and smart thinking. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, so please support the channel, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And share it with your friend and family who enjoy the and craft ideas. Your support really motivates to me create a more useful and creative video for you. I suggest you watch the full video till the end guys, so you don't miss any creative design. Take ideas, save the ones you like and try them when you get time. Start with simple craft and then slowly move to more detailed design. Simple object can become eye-catching decoration. Guys, these craft ideas can be used for wall decor, table decor, shelf decor, room corner and even as small handmade gift. So guys, you can easily adjust every idea based on your home theme and your color choice. You can change the design, size and finish according to your personal style. All the crafts shown here are easy to understand and beginner friendly. Even if you are new in diya and craft work, you can still try these ideas without any problem. These ideas are also good student, homemaker and anyone who enjoy creative activity in free time. So guys, crafting is not only about decoration, it is also about enjoying the process of making something new. When you work with your hands, your mind feels relaxed and focused. While making this decor item, you can use simple material like cardboards, paper, fabric pieces, thread glue color, bottle jars and other small decorative item. So guys, most of these supplies are easy available at home or nearby shops. You don't need any heavy tools or machines. So guys, the goal of this video is to give you creative ideas and inspiration so you can try making decor item by yourself. You can take the ideas and then give your own twist to it. Add your own design, your own color mix and your own finishing touch. That makes your craft different and unique. Handmade decor is also cost saving and very satisfying to create. When you complete a craft with your own efforts, it gives real happiness and confidence. So guys, it also helps you improve your creative thinking and crafting skill step by step. With practice, your work become more neat and more professional. These decor ideas can be used in your living room, bedroom, study area, balcony or even your work desk. So guys, you can also create them for festival, parties and special celebration. Handmade decor during festival makes your home look more lively and personal. Another benefit of diya decor is flexible. So guys, you can change, repaint or redesign your craft anytime you want. If you get bored with one style, you can update it into a new look. You are always free to test new pattern and new combination based on your mood. So guys, as you watch each ideas in this video, try to imagine how you can recreate it in your own way. Look at the shape, color and arrangement. Think about where you want to place it in your home. Small creative changes can create big visual difference. So guys, I really hope you enjoy these creative home decor craft ideas and get inspired to try something new. Creativity grows when you start doing, not just watching. So give it a try and enjoy the